Hey everybody, Sean here with Empire Auto Spa to answer the question, what is the best paint protection film? Now, there are a lot of things that you want to consider when selecting a paint protection film.
Please, tell me more.
First and foremost, and I cannot state this enough, the film is secondary to the installer. Really, when you're hiring somebody to install that paint protection film, they can use the absolute best film in the world. If they're not a good installer, you're not going to get a good end result. Number one.
Like professionals, which we are.
When considering paint protection film, there are actually two things you want to take into account. Not just the performance of the film, but also how it's being cut. Now, this is an interesting thing that most people don't take into account. All of the major film manufacturers provide pre-cut patterns for your automobile.
Wow.
Some of the patterns are very, very good, and they're very true to the shape of your automobile. Others, on the other hand, are not.
Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's real bad.
Now, their product is fine, but the patterns that they provide have gapping issues and excessive amounts of seams.
This sucks. Yeah, it really sucks.
All of this takes what's supposed to be an invisible material and makes it very visible, and that defeats the purpose of it entirely. Paint protection film, by far the best way to protect your automobile. But there are some things to take into account. First and foremost, most importantly, the installer. Second and even third is make sure you get a good name brand product, but also make sure that you're doing business with somebody that has the best patterns.
Great advice.
This is the reason that we use XPEL Ultimate Plus. In our opinion, it is all of the above. Now, you do your own research and figure out what works best for you, and then you'll have the perfect combination.